Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Aramex application on your iPhone. In order to download Aramex app on your iOS device, the first thing to do is to open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in Aramex and search. Look for this application from Aramex International LLC and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Go ahead and verify your identity by entering your Apple ID's credential or simply scanning your Face ID, and the download process should begin. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Aramex is a mobile application that allows customers to track their shipment, manage deliveries, and schedule pickups. The application is available on both Android and iOS devices. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open, and you have now successfully downloaded and installed your Aramex application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.